Is it best to learn to draw traditionally or digitally? This is by far one of the most asked questions I get, so I'll do my best to answer it succinctly. What my answer is to do both, traditional and digital. I say at the very least, learn how to sketch with nothing but a pencil or pen and paper. It'll force you to face your weaknesses, blind spots, and really get your process down to the basics. It's also nice to have a physical, tactile piece when you're done. Digital is great, however. I use it for client work, recording, and just for ease of editing and process. You'll tend to rely quite a bit on digital tools over time, like being able to undo, transform, warp, and adjust, but that's okay. The key is to develop fundamentals that are strong enough to work in both, even if you prefer one or the other. It's not going to completely break you if you're 100% digital. You can still learn to draw and paint. Personally, my traditional painting skills are way behind my digital painting skills, but that's because I never set out to be a traditional painter. I can still draw like a madman on paper though, and sometimes I feel even freer there than I do on a more artificial surface. It all depends on your goals. If you don't have a lot of money, then pencil and paper will serve you just fine. But if you have digital equipment and software, then that's good too. Just focus on your fundamentals. Draw from life when you can, and learn in a deliberate and structured way. I've had people take my beginner drawing course using both mediums, and while I usually recommend the digital route for the course, traditional works fine too. So my answer is that both are valid for learning to draw, but it all depends on the individual, which is you. Happy drawing.